cyclohexane. Okay, conformation of methyl cyclohexane. Here the since some char forms are, it is the char forms are readily interconvertible and two conformation isom interconvertible. So one cis will be converted into the trans. Okay, it is a monosubstituted compound. Here the example of methyl cyclohexane. Here the first position attacked in the methyl groups. A methyl group may be axial in one form and equatorial. One form is a axial and other form is a equatorial. Here the axial position. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here so one form is converted into the axial, other form is a equatorial position. Okay, so here the one in axial conformation, the methyl group is crowded because a methyl group is a bulky group. So it is a staggered condition or eclipsed. Okay, it is a closer to the axial. Here the closer to the axial position of the hydrogen atom, the C3, however C3 and C5, okay, it is a crowded, so it is a 1,3 interaction in the operates in its conformation. Okay, so C3 and C5 is a repulsive force because same charges present in the same site, so same charges present in the same site becomes repulsion will be occur. On other hand, equatorial conformation, it is a equal, it is a staggered condition, it is a eclipsed, it is a eclipsed condition. Okay, it is a staggered. Okay, it is a eclipsed staggered with respect, there will be 4 hydrogen atoms here, there 4 bond hydrogen atoms, it is equatorial forms, which means C2 and C6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there will be same changes in the C2 and C6. Repulsion will be, there is no repulsive force. Okay, okay, so to be C4, C6, it is a more stable. Compared to that of axial, equatorial is always stable. Compared to that of cis, trans becomes more stable. Okay, it is a general instruction. Coming from the equatorial methyl cyclohexane, here equatorial methyl cyclohexane is more stable compared to that of axial because energy level is 1.7 calorie per mole, kilocalorie per mole. Okay, it is only occurs at the room temperature. It is a monosubstituted cyclohexane because only one methyl groups in this reaction said to be monosubstituted conformation, and it is always equatorial position is more stable compared to that of axial. Okay, hence it is a one dimethyl cyclohexane. Here dimethyl because through methyl group here, the 3 dimethyl cyclohexane 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Okay, here the first position, second position 1, 2, first, third. Okay, 1, 3. Okay, here the 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, here 1, 4. Okay, it is a cyclohexane, that is a different conformation. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. It is cyclohexane. So here also one cis trisomer is converted into the trans. Okay, here the cis position. Okay, cis position is converted into the trans. Okay, coming from the third, cis is converted into strong. Here there will be bond breakage between here. It is said to be trans molecules. There will be it is easily separatable, isolated. Okay, so first and second position cis and trans. Okay, it is fourth position. Okay, so it's said to be trans isomer. It is a simple, like a dotted line, said to be trans. It is a easily breakable. It is an interhalation compounds. Okay, so it is a 2 conformation isomers coming in from the 1,2 interaction in dimethyl cyclohexane. Okay, in the cis 1, 2, here the cis position because they are present in the same side said to be cis. Okay, here the converted into the chair conformation. It is a chair conformation of the 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane. It is a first position axial 1A. Okay, it is a second position, it is a equatorial 1E, sorry 2E. Okay, first one be 1A, second will be 2E. It is a interconvertible, it is a cis form. Coming from the strands, we draw the line structure like this. Here the bending in opposite direction, here's a bending downward, it is opposite. Okay, so said to be it is trans. Okay, so it is an optically, both are optically inactive. Here the 1E, it is a 1E, it is present in the equatorial 1. Okay, 2, here the 2. Okay, here the 1, 2A because it present in the upward direction is said to be 2A. It is a 1E and it is a 2A. Okay, this form as no, it is, there is no elements of symmetry, and it is a non-superimposable mirror image because there will be same image is not getting very opposite image. Okay, so to be non-superimposable mirror image. Okay, but it is an optically inactive compound. 1, 2 is an optically inactive compound. Okay, it is a cis form. Coming up from the trans, here the trans, here the upward direction will be trans and downward direction is cis. Upward, one will upward and other is facing in the trans. Okay, so to be trans. Okay, opposite direction. It is also exhibited in the two different conformation, 1A, 2A, 1E and 2E. Okay, always 2E is always equatorial position is more stable. Okay, so it is a first one, 1A, 2A, first one. Okay, here first position, 1A is an axial. Okay, again second position, 2A is an axial. Okay, so it is a trans cis. Coming out from the trans, here's the 1E equatorial. Okay, here the 2E equatorial downward. Okay, said to be 2 is an equatorial position. Okay, it is a trans isomer, 1A, 2A. It is a cis form and it is a trans form because of bending in opposite direction. Okay, always equatorial is more stable than the trans. Okay, the trans form is more stable than the cis form because of the bulkier group is in axial position. It is a more 1,3 diaxial interaction will be most powerful compared to that of 1,2 because a bulkier group present in the wherever the methyl group is increasing in the conformation is said to be more powerful. Coming on from the 1,3 interaction in the dimethyl cyclohexane. Okay, here the 1,3, it is a cis form. Okay, present in cis form, same side. Okay, is a coming here the char conformation of this dimethyl cyclohexane. It is a cis form and it is a trans form. The first position is a 1E. Okay, first position is a 1E. Coming on from the third position. Okay, third position 2E, because it is in downward direction, it is also parallel to this axis. Okay, coming out from the trans, here it is a trans, so here the 1A is an axial, 3A is an also axial. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1A is axial and 2A is axial. So there is no butane gauge interaction. There will be no Crowdy group present here. So said to be there are no butane gauge interactions. Hence the 1E, 3E. Here the equatorial is more stable compared to that of axial. Okay, coming out from the trans, here the trans. Okay, one present in upward direction, other in opposite direction, said to be trans. Okay, it is a chair conformation, cis and the trans form, the bending in cis form like this and trans in the cis form like this. Okay, so the number of butane, here the first position A, it is present in axial, 1A, here 3E. Okay, here the 1, here the 3. Okay, so 1A and 3E is in first position in the cis isomer coming from the trans. Here 1E parallel. Okay, here downwards 3A. Okay, is axial. 1E is a equatorial and 3A is an axial. Okay, so the cis form will be more stable than the cis axial E. Cis EE form will be more stable than cis EAE form. Okay, so always will also be more stable than the trans EA conformation. Here because this contains E group, so it become more stable compared to that of trans EAE. Okay, so it is a 1,3 dimethyl cyclohexane. So coming on from the 1,4 interaction in the dimethyl cyclohexane, the 2 cis conformation, here the 1,4 first position and fourth position and it is a cis form and both are identical. Okay, so here the first position in the axial and fourth position will be equatorial position. Okay, it is a cis conformation and it converted into trans conformation. Here the 1 is the equatorial position and 4 is the above. Okay, it is an axial position, so it is said to be 1 trans 1,4 dimethyl cyclohexane. Okay, it is a cis conformation. Coming from the trans, it is a cis form and trans form. Here the trans, the methyl group present in opposite direction. Okay, it's a trans form. So here 1A in the axial group. Okay, 1A in the axial group coming from the fourth one, E, it is an downward direction. 4E, it is a downward direction. Okay, so it is a cis form. Coming from the trans form, here 1E is an equatorial position and 4A it is an upward direction. So there will be 2 butane gauge interaction. This is form while there is none in the trans form. Okay, so always trans will be more stable compared to that of cis. Okay, here the conformation here, because 1e4e conformation becomes more stable than the cis isomer.